have to find out the unit of force. Unit of force. So that from the Newton's second law that F equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. The unit force in SI system. In SI system, the unit of force is Newton. The unit of force is Newton, and it is noted in capital N also, 1 Newton. So from this mathematical expression, 1 Newton equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square, because unit of mass is equal to 1 kg and unit of acceleration in SI system is 1 meter per second square. So what is the definition of 1 Newton? So if definition of 1 Newton is that amount of force which acts on a body of mass 1 kg produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. So 1 Newton is that amount of force. 1 Newton is that amount of force. That amount of force which when acts on a body of mass 1 kg produces an acceleration 1 meter per second square. Produces an acceleration 1 meter per second square. That is the definition of 1 Newton. Similar in CGS system, if you think for the CGS system, what will be the unit? In CGS system, that is the unit is dyne. So 1 dyne equal to 1 gram multiplied with 1 centimeter per second square. And from this definition, 1 dyne is that amount of force which acts on a body of mass 1 gram produces an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square. If you just if you bring the relation between Newton and dyne, so 1 Newton equal to, you can know that 1 Newton equal to 1 kg multiplied with 1 meter per second square. This is equal to, what will be the 1 kg? 1 kg is the 1000 gram multiplied with 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter per second square, and this will be equal to, that is 1000, that is 100, that is equal to 10 to the power 5, because 5 zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 10 to the power 5 into gram centimeter per second square. Gram centimeter per second square. So this can be written as 10 to the power 5 dyne. So 1 Newton equal to, so you are finally finding 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. This is the unit of force in SI system and in CGS system. Thank you.